Alright, this is the epic win. Look at that epic win. I rewired all those cables to this Xbox 360 thing.
Xbox 360
Now it's working.
We're watching Kangaroo Jack, an Australian classic. Look at that kangaroo dance. Like, stop. I had to press play.
But look at that.
Epic win, though. To my surprise, an epic win. But the epic win was trailed by 3 epic failures. So, there was an epic failure, epic failure, epic failure, epic win. It took 3 failures to get a win.
Our next project, the controller of Doom.
Look at the other side, too.
Look at that.
Stupid dog.
Dog tore this thing apart.